We have a Smeg Oven review. We'll start with the left side. Here we've got the time, and this is how you set your cooking time for anything. So you've just got that or that, depending whether you want it fan or heat cooked, like with the thing. So you just press that, and the timer, let's say you go over, you want it back to 45, you just press the minus button, and then that'll save any issues, like it just gets rid of the egg timer and all that. So over here, it's already on fan, but we can change our options. This one's a grill. Here's our heat. You can already see 250 matches up with the grill pattern, so you already know how to do that. And you can change anything, whatever you want. Fan heated from the top, grill from the top, bottom heat, both, all the way around for the fan, or top and bottom from the fan, or just the top. And you just change those, they go all the way around, and you can just turn that off now, and that one is off as well, just like that. And if you go like that, it'll, at the end of that minute, it'll have an alarm. At the end of that alarm, you just press the bell to stop it, and that'll stop the beeping. Inside the Smeg oven, it comes with those 2 racks, and you can adjust them on the rails. You can see the top bar, the grill there, that's where the grill heat comes from, and at the back there's the fan.